What's up everyone? So I'm going back home from the gym here in Fitness Time on King Fahad Road here in Riyadh, and it's a very short drive, but I'll show you the scenes. First up with the Kingdom Tower that I'm seeing right now. Check this out, the scenes of Kingdom Tower. Wonderful, fabulous. This is interesting. And then they also have the Hilton Tower, Hilton Hotel over here. Check out the traffic on the King Fahad Road, and I'll put my mobile over here. Okay, now we are gonna leave. Okay, let me just turn back. Okay, and now let's straighten up a bit. Hi Chanjan,
How can I help you?
turn on the AC.
Okay, turning on front door C for you.
Shukran, shukran. So yeah, this is the Olaya View Mall on your left. Mokhrij on our right. Okay. Let's go. So now what we have to do over here is we have to turn on the left. Yeah, I think we don't need to go from the ramp. We can go straight. And well, a short drive from Olaya View and the King Fahad Road to Muhammadiyah. Check this out. The service lane is almost empty, but the main road traffic is flowing. It's not that rushy. If in Riyadh traffic is flowing, then it's moving, then it means that it's normal. If it's stuck, then it means it's serious. If you live in Riyadh, do you agree with me? Otherwise, no matter how many cars on the road, if they are moving, it's pretty normal. Adi. Here we go, going down the road at 60 kilometers per hour. Also, do let me know what I can improve in the videos. The shiny tower you see in the front, that's the Al Majdui Tower. After this board, this direction board, you will be able to see a better view of it. The Al Majdui Tower. And from here, I'll take the left to go to Muhammadiyah. Muhammadiyah district is on the Takhasusi Street on one side and on King Fahad on the other. On our right, we have the Sheraton Hotel. So these are the scenes of the traffic, and we have a green light, red light, green light. In the corner in this building, there used to be one cafe called the Zoo Cafe. It isn't there anymore, but it was a very good one. They had a very fine interior, and I used to come here, but now they are not in business. We are going to Muhammadiyah, but if we go down this ramp, we can go to the King Abdullah Road, and it's the same road that leads to these green lights on a bridge, those big green globes. So there's some construction going on at our right. Seems like they're gonna make some big hotels and stuff over here. There is some traffic over here. Okay. It's not unusual, but it's fine. On the right, there's a lot of photocopy and printing shops. Most of the time, I see students here. Students from schools, universities getting prints of their assignments and creative stuff. There are many on this road actually. To go into Muhammadiyah, we can take a very sharp right, but I'll have to make sure that no one hits us from behind. We'll have to be very careful here. I'm going with the double indicator. Yeah, a sharp right, because usually the turn is up ahead, but this is a very sharp turn into Muhammadiyah. So here we are in Muhammadiyah. Thank you guys. We'll see each other later.